you know exactly who I'm talking about. The student who aces everything, very popular amongst everyone, looks very good looking and seems to be the star of the school. Let's start your transformation then. Phase 1, Looksmaxing. Some have good genetics from the start and others do not. However, what we can do is reach our genetic potential. The basic of Looksmaxing is just taking care of yourself more. Eat healthy, sleep well, facial care, hair grooming, body care, and you will glow better than everyone. Install good morning and night routines that help you and make them simple. I have seen so many routines that are way too complicated and take ages to complete, meaning you are not going to stick with them. So here is a simple morning and night routine that you can save for later. Phase 2, Physique. That student has an amazing physique, and whether you like it or not, exercising is something that you must start doing. Having a good physique not only makes you more attractive but also have a lot of health benefits such as more energy and focused attention. I would recommend either start going to the gym or do more sports activities that will get you in shape. It doesn't have to be complicated, so just stick to the basics of eating clean, exercising and sleeping well. Those alone will give you a massive start. Remember that it takes time to build a physique of which you can be proud of, and the more consistent you will remain, the better your glow up will be. If you are interested in a beginner friendly workout plan, then leave a comment and I will make a video on it. Phase 3, Grades. That student has very good grades and they get it not because of luck, but because they put in the work behind the scenes when nobody sees. I have several videos on improving your grades that you can check out, but today I will give you the main points you need to know to drastically change your grades. Point 1, learn how to study. You are told to revise and make notes, but do you really know what studying means and how it differs from subject to subject? Research what the best study techniques are and start implementing them to revolutionize how you study such that information sticks to your brain. Point 2, deep work. I have made a video on it that you can check out, but in simple terms, it is the ability to work in a deep state of mind such that nothing distracts you. You need to learn this so that studying becomes more efficient without you wasting precious time procrastinating and doing nothing. Point 3, practice. Practicing is uncomfortable because nobody likes seeing themselves struggle. Therefore, people will just reread the same pages instead of actively doing past papers and practice questions. You need to put in the repetitions so that it becomes less uncomfortable and you can fix your mistakes before exam time. Point 4, think like a top student. Whenever you're not sure, always believe yourself to be a top student and ask yourself what a top student would do to ensure their grades are the best. Phase 4, personality. Developing an attractive personality is quite complex and I will make a video about it later on. But for now, we will discuss the main pillars of it. Pillar 1, become a conversationalist. No one likes being around someone who's awkward to talk to, so you need to learn how to begin and make the conversation flow. A simple rule you can follow is answering what is happening right now, right here, and that will be your topic to begin with. A conversation is an exchange of phrases, so you cannot expect the other person to talk and you not contributing. The way to make a conversation flow is what I like to call the branching method. During a conversation, ask relevant questions about the topic with the standard what, where, who, when, and how, like little branches. And when you think there is nothing left to talk about, then talk about a topic that is similar to the previous topic, like a big branch, so you can naturally flow from one topic to another without being abrupt. Pillar 2, be genuine. People want to be heard for their thoughts and feelings. Be genuinely interested and see how their face light up with joy when they finally realize they can talk to you freely about something. Even if it is a topic that you know nothing about, try learning more from the conversation. You learn and they talk. Win-win for both. When you get so good at this, people will thank you directly for always listening to their interests. Other ways to show you being genuine is making it a pleasant exchange rather than interrogation. Make jokes, give fictional scenarios, exaggerate a statement for comedic effects, display playful, strong emotions. There is no need to follow a script of some kind. Just go where the conversation takes you and have fun with the other person. Pillar 3, speak less, listen more. People like to talk, so let them do so. The more they talk, the more comfortable they will feel around you and be with you. It also allows you to listen more and engage into what they're saying for you to ask follow-up questions. The trap a lot of people fall here is that they stop speaking completely and only listen. Do not do that because it gets awkward, since the other person will run out of things to say. Keep it a 3-to-1 ratio where they talk about something 3 times more than you talk. Phase 5, hobbies and skills. To be that that student, you need to have hobbies and skills. People will always be drawn towards you if you have an exciting life and overall be multi-skilled. I would recommend choosing a healthy one, a business-related one, a creative one, and a knowledge one. Healthy skills and hobbies are like cooking, cycling, and hiking. Business skills and hobbies are like video editing, coding, and marketing. Creative ones are like drawing, learning languages, learning instruments. And knowledge ones are like reading, teaching, and learning what interests you. These 4 categories will not only make you have more topics to talk about, but also make you find something that you are truly passionate about and be well-rounded for anything. And even if no one cares about them, these hobbies and skills will benefit you mentally, physically, and economically in the long term. These phases require time, and your glow up will not happen overnight. All you need to do is be consistent and results will come. And when they do, then you can answer the people who say you are lucky with good genetics. If you want some further tips that could help you out, then click here. My name is Seed, and it is my job to make you straight up better.